In this video, Bitcoin is flying to all new time highs, and what's gonna happen next? No, guys, I'm just joking. Welcome back, Harry here, known as Trade Sharp, and I'm gonna bring you this video. So, let's go on the daily. We did close the daily above the topside Bollinger Band, and what does that tell me? Well, that tells me there's gonna be trend continuation today. I think, about tomorrow in 12 hours time. So depending what I'll be sleeping, but depending what time zone you're in, we do have the chance today to close above the top side Trollinger Band on the 2 day, which of course, if you noticed in the past, every time we did that, we had trend continuation. Now, with that being said, we did close the daily, but yesterday in the video I said I was looking when we were talking about last night's video. I was talking about I'm looking for that pullback. Now that pullback I was expecting anytime soon. I was expecting after the 2 day close. To be honest, I thought we would close the 2 day, which is still possible. 13 hours is a lot of time of trading, but I do look for us to come back and maybe test this topside Bollinger Band at 44,000. That 44,000, I would actually look more as an opportunity. Of course, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, blah, 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 blah. But I do look at it as an opportunity. And guess what? If you look at the 2 day Bollinger Band, you can see that, by the time it ticks and the close tick, I mean, as the 2 day closes, this will tick up. Where is it coming in at currently? It will probably come in at about 43. It is coming in at 43,000, so it will tick up naturally, maybe 500-600 bucks, bringing you to 44,000. So that $44,000 level is very high interest. Now going into the lower time frames, let's remove this Bollinger Band. We can see that we are having a slight bring back my drawings, and we can see we are having this pullback. Now, I did expect a pullback at this $46,000 level, but we never got it. All we did is we got a new confirmed high here, and that's about it, right? We did not get the pullback that I was looking for at the $46,000 level, so I was wrong there. But you have to understand that we did have a news candle, right? We did get pushed by news. We did get a movement from a news. So looking at what's going on the short-term time frames, we can see that we did get rejected where I've put this new resistance here, and after being rejected, we will most likely come back down and test around 45,000 and that 44,000. What's another great thing about the 44,000? Well, not only is it an area of interest, it is also a nice support area here. So if we came down here to that 44,000 and bounced off, I'm looking at this as a major opportunity. Stop loss below here, nice risk management, possibly a long-term position. Now, of course, it's not financial advice. It would look something like this, 3%. You can lose low leverage and targeting whatever. Just hold, hodl. Wrong way around, by the way, but same stuff. So this is what I'm looking at. I am looking for that retest, and we'll see how it goes. But today, what am I gonna look at? Let's look. Momentum's turning down, 47,000 to cross up. Yeah, so I expect this to come down. There is a competing very, very, very weird type of trend line. I won't even actually. This is not considered as a trend line. I don't know what I'm saying. 2 hour Stokes crossing down, 3 hour gonna cross down probably any closure below 46,000, which we're getting. 4 hour Stokes will cross below 45,000. Now, 4 hour Stokes has been having this regression here. There is a regression that it's been catching, and you can see we will draw it like this, and that it might just turn down like so and catch this trend line again. And when it does catch this trend line, to cross below, it would probably, to cross back up, it will come around that $45,000 level before continuing up. Now, I'm looking again at that as an opportunity. I'm not bearish on this chart, guys. I actually want to talk about some more upside targets. Let's just draw a quick Fibonacci from this point here. That's not my fib, this is my fib. We don't have a confirmed top. Where can I draw one from? I can draw one from here to here, but it's not going to give us anything. I think I have to, well, to be honest, I'm not going to use a Fibonacci on this. I'm actually going to use a break of this structure, simple break of the structure. Now, this is not a pattern for me, but a break of the structure should bring us to 60K. It's bringing us to, but I do think that before 60, well, not 60K exactly, it's bringing us, 59,000. I do think, we might break that and reach that. Sorry, not break that, but yeah, we'll just have to see how it goes. You could take this resistance here and take that as a possible breakout, which should bring us to mid 50,000, yeah, 57,000. I am looking for, pullbacks along the way, but really I'm looking, guys, for us to hit this 50,000 very soon. And I definitely do think we do come and tap, even maybe in the next few days, 52,000, 54, 55,000, and pullbacks along the way, of course, some consolidation, but yeah, I mean, this is looking really, really, really good, guys, and I think we'll just continue up and onwards, to be honest. Long term, you know, what am I looking at? Well, if we look at daily, daily Stokes will cross down with anything below 45,000, so that will bring it back down to, yeah, it would probably bring it back down to maybe this midsection. I mean, it could spend some time above here. We've seen that in the past. Uh, let's go and look at Ethereum. I mean, Bitcoin, guys, is just bullish. Ethereum is playing a very simple price action play. Look at this closure we've had on the daily above the last high. That's continuation, immediate continuation, new all-time high. We did tap this 1,825 and we've found some short-term resistance there. On the 1 hour, we should see some structure and we do. So now we can move this up here. We might find some support down here or we might come back down with Bitcoin to probably 1,700, but I'm looking at that again as an opportunity, especially in this zone here. I'll just put a zone on it. I look for Ethereum definitely to hit $2,000. Nothing is definite, but a high probability, high chance. Uh, of course, any breakage of this wick or just a 4 hour closer above here, I do think actually we go try to that higher levels. But looking at Stokes on Ethereum, we can see that they are going to cross down with any closure where we basically are, which would bring us back down into that range. 4 hour will go direct to 4 hour. Same story as Bitcoin, going to cross down if we do close where we are at the moment. And yeah, based on structure, bring us down around, just in this zone here between basically 1750 to 1700. Anyways, with that being said, remember guys, take care, trade sharp, and until next time, peace.